Hi, in this video we want to share and show you how to go step by step installing, configuring and publishing your WhatsApp widget in WordPress for free with our plugin. This is going to be very quick. I think in under 2 minutes you can have everything ready to go, but we will go step by step. First, let's go to the dashboard. Let's go to plugins and let's install the new plugin, and we search for to chat. Okay, install. This is just 2 steps. Install, this is one step. The next one is activate. Okay, this is done. This is our plugin is here, and now in the sidebar you are going to have the plugin, all the options for this plugin. The first option is to add an agent, and this is something you can add here, add new. This is an agent we already have, so we can edit the information so you know what's here. What you have here is agent name. Can be Enrique, for example, director. You can have the phone number. The phone number is very important to have just numbers, country code and the numbers. That's it. Anything else. And you can add some by default message you are going to receive from your customers. So you can have something like that, so you know who is contacting you. You can also add an image for the agent, so you can have a photo, horse, something about your store, anything like that. You can add as many agents as you want. You can have 1, 2, 3, unlimited. So this is for free. You can use it as much as you want. Next is appearance. Appearance is the color of the widget. You can choose blue, green. Green works well because people like the WhatsApp color, but you can choose something more corporate. Some information about your business, and a button, a text that is going to help the customer to click on the button. So something like how we can help you, do you want more information, do you need help, something like that always is good, so the customer is going to click and start the chat. And finally, settings. Settings is where you want the widget to be. If you want the widget on mobile, of course, but maybe you don't need it on the desktop, so you can disable this one. So the widget is not going to be visible on desktop, but will be on mobile, but it's up to you. And the auto pop-up. This is when the widget pop-ups and instead of a button you see the full widget. We think it's good to have this, and you can leave 5-10 seconds, something like that. So if the user is in the page looking for information, he's not sure, whatever, the widget is going to pop up and he's going to see your agent. So it's a good chance that he will click and ask for help, more information, anything like that. Finally, you have the GDPR. This is very important for policy and compliance. And the click log. The click log is where you will see how many clicks your widget has. So this is very good because you can see the performance of your agents. If you have more than one, you can see who has more contacts, who has more clicks, who is being requested the most, and you can check how things are going. That's it. Everything is ready. We can go to the site. We can see the widget is already here, and we can see how this works and looks very nice. This is where we are going to contact Enrique. This is going to jump to WhatsApp, and that's it. Super easy to use, super simple. For free, everything white label, no branding from us, just your brand, your website for free, unlimited agents for free, and GDPR and click log also for free. So those are things you don't have anywhere else. and we give you this for free. So hope this helps, and if you have questions, comments, just send us your ideas and we will be happy to see you.